The full-color BMW Head-Up Display projects driving-related information onto the windshield directly in the field of view. As a result, your eyes can always stay on the road. The displayed information includes the current speed, navigation information, and speed limit information, including no passing zones. The display can be adjusted horizontally and vertically on the iDrive controller to create the most comfortable position for the driver. For good recognizability, the intensity of the projection automatically adjusts to daytime and nighttime light conditions.
The Night Vision system, providing human and animal recognition, warns against people or animals at night. To do this, a thermographic camera scans an area in front of the vehicle. People or animals from a certain size are correspondingly recognized by the system. As soon as a person or animal appears in the warning range, a warning is signaled. In case of an increased danger of collision, there is an acute warning with a warning signal. Additionally, a thermal image can be displayed in the control display. The remote control parking feature enables maneuvering the vehicle into and out of perpendicular parking spaces assisted by the BMW display key. This is particularly advantageous in case of especially narrow parking spaces. For example, where there is very little room for getting in or out. When doing this, the driver is not seated in the vehicle, but instead steers the maneuver from the outside, assisted by the BMW display key. With the BMW display key, the engine can be started and the direction of travel selected. The vehicle can be moved approximately 1.5 times its own length forward or backward. The speed is roughly 1 mile per hour. Various ultrasound sensors and cameras serve to survey the parking situation. If the ultrasound sensors recognize the end of the parking space, the system assists by automatically stopping the vehicle. Nevertheless, the vehicle operator remains responsible for the entire parking procedure. In case of obstacles, actively stop the vehicle by releasing the button on the side of the BMW display key. With the help of the system, parking procedures in tight parking spaces become easier to handle, for example, in garages or public parking lots. Unintentional damage due to the opening of the doors, for example, can be prevented this way. The surround view camera system provides support in a number of traffic situations by allowing the driver to show various camera angles around the vehicle in the control display. When the vehicle enters streets or intersections with a poor view, the cameras in the front or rear of the vehicle can be activated. The road area is shown on the control display. When the vehicle is being parked in reverse, a camera in the rear can display the area behind the vehicle. At the same time, the turning radius and lane lines help the driver find the right steering angle when maneuvering backwards and park with precision. The cameras in the exterior mirrors, together with the front and rear cameras, provide a bird's eye view of the area surrounding the vehicle on the control display. In addition, the ultrasonic sensors of the park distance control monitor whether there are obstacles in the immediate vicinity in front of or behind the vehicle. Color-coded marks on the control display and audible signals provide optimized support when maneuvering in tight spaces. This combination of different camera systems and sensors provides an ideal view of the area surrounding the vehicle, especially in situations with obstructed views. The frontal collision warning with city collision mitigation is thereby helpful to recognize collision risks and supports you to prevent collisions while braking. Sensors in the front bumper and a video camera monitor traffic in front of your vehicle. And can recognize vehicles that are in the detection range of the sensors and video camera. These vehicles may be parked or moving. For example, if a vehicle that is moving in front of you brakes abruptly, a quick reaction may be required. To assist in this, the system will help optimize the response time with a two-step warning. The first warning step is the preliminary warning. It will signal a warning with an emerging danger of collision, or if the distance to the vehicle that is moving in front of you is very short. The sensitivity of the preliminary warning can be adjusted in the Intelligent Safety menu. This warning is given by displaying a corresponding symbol on the instrument panel. At the same time, the brake system will be made ready for a possible full application of the brake. The second warning step is the acute warning in the event of an imminent danger of collision. The symbol on the instrument panel will begin to flash, and an audible warning signal will sound at the same time. If necessary, your vehicle can also automatically apply the brakes to help mitigate a collision. If and how this occurs varies depending upon the vehicle's forward speed and optional equipment. The system thereby supports your own responses to traffic and makes driving safer.
You can set a desired speed to be maintained automatically while driving on an unobstructed road. The system automatically adapts to a slower vehicle driving in front of you, according to the specific options available. You can vary the distance to be maintained from a vehicle in front of you. To maintain this distance, the system automatically reduces the acceleration and may apply slight braking to a complete stop if necessary under specific conditions. The system will automatically accelerate when the vehicle in front of you begins to move again after standing still for a few seconds. Once the lane in front of you is clear, the system accelerates to your desired speed.